Right, we're on to this week's episode. We're coming from the Cheffins auction house because they've got a whole load of vintage motorbikes that we've come to have a look at.
Where are we?
Where is it? Money on. It's a Cheffins place near Ely, north of Cambridge. North of Cambridge. The place is just up there, so let's go and have a look, so we can spend some money. All right?
Yeah, spend some of your money.
So you brought your wallet with you then?
I've brought my wallet.
Have I got to keep my hand on it?
You have. I've seen a couple I want already.
Have you?
Yeah.
Where are they? Over there?
Over that side, yeah.
Well, you go that way, and I'll go this way.
See you in a minute.
Right, so I picked out 4 bikes,
and
you picked out 4 bikes.
And they're all different.
They're all different. We haven't picked out the same, because you've gone for some oldies, haven't you?
I like the oldies.
Yeah, well, I've got a list here, because you know what, well, I can't remember a damn thing, but I'll tell you what, it's one of mine. lot 1170.
Yeah.
Norton Commando Roadster. This is one of the ones that I picked out. Now, they reckon...
What year is it?
It's a 72. It's a 72. Estimated value on this is between 6.5 and 7.5. So you're going to have to get your shiny pennies out for this one. Yeah. Now, the only thing I was going to point out about this, because I've been doing a bit of research. I've been on the old internet.
I think your research has been better than mine.
Well,
all I've got is date.
No, well, I've been on the old internet, and the thing is, all of these Norton Commandos, I nearly called it something else, they've got the old knee dents.
Graham Norton.
Graham Norton. They've got the knee dents in the tank.
Yeah.
Right, and this one hasn't.
No.
So I'm looking at other pictures, and I'm seeing that these are like late 60s.
Ah, yeah.
So whether that's had a different tank put on a 72 bike, don't know about that. It might be original. It might be original. Might be doing them a disservice.
Tell us in the comments.
Tell us in the comments if you're the owner of it. But now, one thing I did find out though, in America, they did a Norton Commando Interstate, and I'm having to read this because I never remember it.
You're known so far. You're known so far better than mine.
And it had the Interstate had the rounder tank. But, so that made me think this was an American one, but it's not, because it hasn't got the strap on the seat. The American ones had the strap on the seat. So it's still a bit of a mystery, but we'll see. And apparently I've got a bit of useless information for you here. 1972 was a bad year for production on these bikes. It was a bad year, because apparently they were doing a lot of development work and a lot of warranty work, and not many Norton Commandos were actually made in 72.
Oh right, so they were made after or before?
Yeah.
When are they petrol?
Yeah, so that might make this a little bit of a rarer bike. So it might go for a little bit more money. So you might have to get your checkbook out rather than
But don't do checkbooks anymore, do they?
No, I'm showing my age there, and I checkbook. Now it'll be a credit card.
My dad told me about them.
Credit card job.
Yeah, my dad told me about them.
What's on your list?
I think mine are round there. I don't know if we've got one round here anywhere. I don't know.
Can you not find it?
No.
Well, let's go and have a look. Let's go and have a walk.
Oh, steady. Now, your Norton Commanders, this is a proper one.
There's nothing wrong with my Norton Commander. What's this then?
This is an H16. I think it's got a side valve engine on it.
What are we looking at? Lot number 1158. 500cc.
Yeah. Side valve.
500cc.
Now, I've got a few details on it. It was only 14 brake horsepower. But bearing in mind it's a 1930 bike.
1930 exactly.
Yeah.
Right. It's
It is, isn't it?
It's a bit of kit, isn't it?
Yeah. But that's a proper bike, you see.
And what have they got an estimate for what this is going for?
Top speed 68 mile an hour.
Yeah. Well, what do they reckon it's going to?
The estimate I'll have to look at.
What's it going to go down on?
8 to 9,000.
8 to 9,000.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. You look good on that.
I would.
I think you'd be sitting a bit high.
Your next one.
Is it my next one? Is it? Right, so go and have a look. Right, lot 1150, a 1978 Kawasaki KH250. Adam, come and have a look at this one. This is on my list.
Oh,
this is one of them on my list now.
Oh, I see.
It's had a bit of work done in this one as well. This has been fitted, so instead of the old kickstart, it's been fitted with electronic ignition. Both wheels, front and back, have been rebuilt.
Yeah, they look like stainless steel actually.
The only oddball thing is the stripe on the tank. Because all the stripes on the tank will be below the Kawasaki, but this one's got it above, which I don't know whether that makes it rare or interesting or what. But so So and apparently it was 1976 to 1980 was the production run on this.
Yeah.
And it's estimated. What do you reckon it's estimated? Have a guess. See if you can guess the estimate.
3,250.
You're close. They're close. They're saying between 4,000 and 5,000 for this. So I quite like it. The old pea green. The old pea green. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
See what that one goes for.
See what it goes for. Right, so this is the second one. This is another Norton.
This is your second one. Lot number 1162. Yeah. It's another Norton.
It's 500T trials.
That's free now.
Yeah. Is it free? Oh,
free
yeah, of course, as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a 500T trials. Now, we'll have to look at my notes here because it's 590cc.
You've got your reading glasses on?
Yeah, no, I haven't got them on my head. Right. 14 brake horsepower. Oh no, I'm reading the wrong one.
You're reading the wrong one. So even with your glasses on, you're reading the wrong one. It's a bike. It's here, mate. It's this big thing in front of you. Look.
1950. And that's the old. I can't even read my own writing now. ES2 frame, and they shortened it from 56 inches to 53 inches.
Any reason why?
Just for the trials, I think.
Oh,
and then they changed the engine in it.
Right.
And it's got the. Where are we? Yeah, change the ratio.
Was that you?
No, yeah. Compression ratio was reduced from 6.6 to 1 to 6 to 1. Because obviously it's going to be a trials bike, give it more grunt.
And what's it estimated to go for?
At 7,000 to 9,000.
7,000 to 9,000.
Now I would have that.
You'd have that for
I would have that. If I'd got the money, I'd bid on that.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, check your car, check your bank details.
I mean, you know, I might give you £5 towards it.
No, I would bid on that. Mind you, I would have bid on the other one, but I do like that.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Well, anyway, my next one's a Honda.
Yeah, it's over there, I think.
CR 500R. Where is it? Have you seen it? Right, Honda CR 500R, but we can't find it. I don't think it's here yet.
No, it's not been bought in.
I think it's over here. But I'll tell you what though, this has caught me eye.
We know someone who'd like that, don't we?
Who are you thinking it'd like that?
Yeah, got funny teeth and.
Who?
Plummet Airways.
Plummet Airways. Yeah. Steve Power should be all over this, wouldn't he?
Yeah, he would.
I think he'd like that.
Yeah, it's only a copy though, I think.
Yeah, but even so, we've got no idea what it's going to go for, have we?
No.
No, because we haven't made a note of it. It's not one of our bikes that we picked out. But
it weren't a lot of money considered. No, I looked at it. I think it was between 2,000 and 4,000. I think it weren't a hell of a lot of money for what it is. I didn't think. I think that's good value.
Whoa. We could have a bid for it. I tell you what, you can pay for it, and we'll give it to Steve Parish as a present. There you go. You can pay for it.
Like
there you go. Yeah, I would pay for it, but I've got to go. I've got to
go. See, I just love the old bikes.
I know you do.
I love them.
BSA lot 1166. Yes. It's not a Norton.
1918. 1918. Yes, it is 4¼ horsepower, long stroke. Yeah.
Can you handle the power?
It's 557cc and it's actually developed for a sidecar. The engine to use with a sidecar. But they ended up using it, obviously more power and output and everything else. They ended up using it in the road bikes.
It's obviously been restored up though, isn't it?
Yeah, three-speed gearbox. But
it's beautiful, it's in cracking condition.
Yeah. See, I'd love something like that.
It's in cracking condition.
My old goggles on, my old little goggles.
I mean, sitting on there up with the old
Lawrence
Arabia,
isn't it? Lawrence of Newport.
Lawrence of Newport. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
You've got an estimate on that?
Oh yeah, that's a big one. That's quite big. 10 to 12,000.
10 to 12.
Yeah.
Right.
It's nice though, isn't it? See, I'd like to build something like that.
I bet it sounds good.
Obviously, you know, of odds and sods.
But it sounds good. And look, look.
Yeah,
they've even put,
on it,
they've even put a little thing in there, put your mobile phone in, look. You can put your mobile phone in.
See the quality of them, look, leather work and that. It's just nice, isn't it?
Saddle leather and all that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely.
I like that. Yeah, I like that.
Now, you'll remember this bike.
Yeah.
Oh, did you have one?
No, no.
You didn't have one, did you? Because you was a bit of a Honda boy, weren't you? Yeah.
Yeah, I was a Honda boy. Mum and Dad wouldn't let me have one on the road. Well, Dad wouldn't let me have one on the road.
Lot 1185 even.
Yeah.
Yeah. The Yamaha FS1. This is the DX model. I'll tell you about the DX, what the difference with the DX is in a minute. Now, it's the old fizzy, isn't it?
We used to take what we used to take out the exhaust to make it go quick. There's all sorts of things they did, weren't there?
Yes, because they used to be restricted.
Yeah.
Now, I've got a story about this.
Right.
I've got a story about this.
I think Cole Peters had one of them, didn't he?
He did.
Yeah.
He did. Now,
he had a blue one, I think.
I'm looking at my notes here. Pre-August 77.
At least you can read yours.
Pre-August 77, they were unristricted.
Yeah.
And you could get 45 mile an hour out of these bad boys. 45
well,
mile an hour.
You
could even go get the old head down on the tank. You could go even better than that. But then they restricted them.
Yeah.
Because they were classed as mopeds, so they restricted them to 30 mile an hour. But what everyone used to
mopeds,
do,
weren't they? Yeah.
They used to take the baffles out of the exhaust pipe, get about 35, you could break the speed limit coming through the village then.
It's Cole did.
I mean, it was a badge of honour, wasn't it? If you got a speeding ticket. Very often. I think he did, yeah. But
yeah.
Two-stroke air cooled, 4-speed. Now, you asked me what the DX difference is. Well, you didn't. I was going to tell you anyway. Now, they used to have drum brakes at the back.
Yeah, and disc at the front.
Drum at the front.
So the DX is just literally disc.
No, drum at the front.
Yeah.
DX had the disc on the front. And they had an extra. Now, where's my notes here? They had a strut underneath the tank to improve the handling. Improve the handling. Fantastic, isn't it? But takes you back, doesn't it?
Yeah, lovely memories, mate.
Get one of them on a provisional licence. You have to take a test.
No.
Leg over. World's your lobster.
Yeah.
Yeah. Off you went.
Off you went. Beautiful.
Like
iconic Yamaha yellow.
Two bees in a baked bean can, weren't they? That's what they sounded like. Yeah. And it's nice in the yellow.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think they did. Didn't they do like a maroon burgundy one?
Blue one, didn't they? Sort of like a light blue, I think they did. Because I think that's what Cole's was.
A little bit lighter than that oval, wasn't it?
Yeah, they did that one.
Burgundy.
Yeah, and they did
a little bit lighter than the oval on the end there.
Sort of like a.
But this is the yellow one.
Yeah, I think there's a blue like that Suzuki blue there, the middle one on that Suzuki. I think they did blue. I think that's what Cole's was, wasn't it? Blue?
Yeah. Estimated to go for between 3,000 and 4,000. If you've got a mint one of these, like what do they call it, concourse. You like using that word, don't you? You can get up to $7,000 for them now. Up to $7,000 for them.
We just scrambled them on fields and just abused them.
Just wrecked them out, burned them out. Yeah, but
$7,000.
$7,000.
Edges.
$7,000. Can you believe it?
I know.
You can't believe it, can you? $1181.
Yeah, Royal Enfield Bullet. It's not here.
It's not here. It's nothing here.
No, it's not
here. So let's move on to the next one then.
Yeah.
It will be here. It will be in the auction.
Yeah.
It's not here for the show day because
1954 350. Oh, actually, no, it wasn't a Bullet, was it? A 1954 350cc, made him in India. 2,000 to 2,500. But
shall I get off it now?
Get off it now, Mark. You'll break it. Now the other one I did look at was that one, which I would have had to go buying. To be fair, to convert into a,
Come in this way, Matt. Come in this way and have a good look at it.
Yeah.
Royal Enfield.
But then again, I've looked at the cost of that. That's 800 to 1,200 quid.
So not bad then.
Well, no, it's a bit more than I thought it would be.
Cheap.
I didn't think it'd be as much as that.
You'd pay more than that then, would you?
No, I wouldn't, no.
So if I keep bidding up, you'll keep bidding up.
No.
Get more for it.
No. And it's haunted, look. The ghost is someone's still sitting on it like that. It's moving.
Don't knock it over. Don't knock it over. You knock it over and that'll all start going.
Oh, George the Ghost is just getting on and off of it. Yeah, no, I'd have bid for that. But I say, just looking at the reserve.
Come down the line. Come down the line,
yeah.
Matt. Come down the line, look. There is some cracking old
bikes
here.
all the old aerials and that, you see. We ain't looked at, you know, Imperials. Oh, leather slot, see.
Sunbeam.
See, I like all these. I love these
BSA again. Now
BSA,
I think you see
yeah.
BSA. You look good. It's a nice big tank.
Yeah.
Nice big tank. Nice big seat.
Yeah.
That'd suit you down to the ground.
I wouldn't mind one actually, to be fair.
Suit you down to the ground.
Yeah.
All the chrome on it. Oh. Look.
Yeah. It's nice, isn't it?
And then we're back to the Commando, which I picked out. Yeah.
Yeah. Nice bit of Italian, that. CC's that then? Yeah.
No idea.
No idea.
No idea.
It's like a 900.
Now there's two Morgan cars here.
Yeah.
Let's go and have a look at the first one. Let's go and have a look at the first one, which is over here.
There's a whoop of Honda mopeds.
Is that what a group of Honda mopeds?
Or is it a flange?
No, it's a flange or a whoop?
It's a whoop of gorillas, flange of baboons, isn't it?
Right.
He does eat daffodils. Angry, wild, he was livid. Lovely, aren't they?
Can you tell me anything about this? I mean, look at it.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Ain't it high up? Look, the old wooden steering wheel. Look
Yeah,
at
it's
it,
1923 I think it's Darmont Morgan. I don't know how you pronounce it. I think it's Darmont Morgan.
I can't say no. I can't say, you know. Yeah, yeah.
Manufactured near Paris. It's a 980cc Jap type KTW. Side valve, manufactured in 1918.
How do you know all this then?
Oh, I just do.
You know all about them then, do you?
Yeah, like Morgans, yeah.
Oh, you're all gemmed up on it then?
Yeah.
Got nothing to do with that then, it's written on the seat.
Yeah, I've seen another one over here.
Are you reading badly?
Now, there's some gems here as well that obviously need a lot of work. Now, this is a 1935 250cc BSA B35-3 De-Luxe project. Now, what else does it say about it? Overhead valve. In the book they just say it just needs a headlamp surround to make it. But see, I'd love to buy something like that. It's lovely, isn't it? But there's a lot like that. Need stuff doing up. Now, I don't know what the reserve is. Should we see what the reserve is on it? What they expect it to go for? That's without reserve or estimate. Have a look, shall we? See what it goes for. Well,
right, so that's the Cheffins bike auction, or at least the ones that we picked out. And then
anyway,
look at it. There's loads more stuff.
Loads
more stuff. Some fantastic stuff down here. So I'll tell you what they have got.
Yeah.
They've got the old tandem. Look.
Can you ride tandem?
You at the front or me at the back?
I don't know, but I don't want us chucking a bucket of water over us when we go out.
I'll sit at the back. You can do all the work, mate. Yeah.
Don't change anything.
Right. No,
thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching the episode. See you next time. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe and like, hit the bell and all that.
Notifications.
Yeah. See you soon.
Bye.